Hey guys, today we're going to Turkey. Very excited. So we're just getting ready to leave. We're gonna call our Uber in a few, and we're taking a flight to Cairo first, and then going to where are we going after? Oh, Istanbul. And then from Istanbul to Cappadocia. So it's gonna be a pretty long travel situation, but can't wait to go. It's my birthday trip. Turkey's a destination I've been wanting to go to since like April. So excited! So we're chilling in the lounge. We just had some food and some drinks after a spitty of a chicken situation. We checked in our bags. Luckily we were early. We checked in our bags and everything was all good. And then I went to the ATM and realized I forgot my purse in my car at Lerato's house. So we had to get an Uber all the way back there to get the purse and come back. Otherwise I would have been broke on this trip. But anyway, because we planned properly, we made it on time. Now we can chill. We're about to board in boarding started already. And we're gonna head there just now. Cairo, here we come. Guys, we made it out the hood. Our middle seat is open. We tried this thing of reserving the window seat and the aisle seat because no one would want us to sit in the middle, and it worked. Never mind the drama of the lady who found sitting here in a seat that wasn't hers, asking to see our tickets to make sure that it's her. But we made it out the hood. We've arrived in Cairo and it took us like 30 minutes just to find the gate, and then another like 15 minutes to find the lounge after asking multiple people. Thank you. Because the signs are not very clear. But anyway, we have about an hour and a half left until boarding for our flight to Istanbul. I feel gross. So a shower, but I managed to get my skincare routine done in the bathroom. All my handy dandy travel goods. Deodorant, even though I didn't use it. Micellar water, toothpaste, toothbrush, and face wash. So now we wait yet again to board to go to Istanbul. Comes in boiled egg.
Boarding of flight 985 to New York JFK. Please proceed to gate G5.
What's wrong with you? Anyways, guys, we're going through it with the food in this lounge. First, the lounge in general, because it's small and the furniture is not that comfy. Then all the food is like bread and cookies. There's even plain slices of bread. They're not even toasted. At least something. I don't know. It's a first class lounge. I can't believe it. Like the ghetto?
The egg was nice.
Eh?
The egg was nice. It was a duck egg. And honey, when it comes to an egg, our habits.
Checked in for a flight to Cappadocia because this girl didn't book when requested. We're on different flights. So I'm flying at 6:15 and she's flying at 8 or 8:15. So we're sitting in the lounge now, chilling. We finally have alcohol, because there was no alcohol on the flight, on the Egypt Air flight from Joburg to Cairo or from Cairo to Istanbul. So we haven't had a single drink since we left Joburg. And with the way things are going, we need it. But yeah, excited to finally get to where we're going. And yeah, we're just chilling and waiting until we can board and head out. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling very good. I'm glad I'm having a drink. Cheers. I'm sad we're on different flights.
Yeah, that's boring.
People here are not friendly at all.
When you say the hands.
Especially the hands. Clearly, I want to eat African pasta. And Zulu men would not survive in this country because nobody fucking greets.
Sawubona.
Silence. Like, yeah. How are you? So no, Zulu men mustn't come to this country. But it's nice. It's great.
My flight has been delayed by an hour and 5 minutes. So we're back with another episode of trying local beer. This is called Bomonti. I would tell you what type of beer it is, but I don't know because I can't read Turkish. Is it? Oh yeah, it is a malt, and that's in English.
And the blind hand.
It's a very big bottle, so me and Lad are gonna split it. But yeah, I'll let you know how it tastes. You go first. How did you like the beer?
Out of 5, I'd give it I'm not a beer drinker, so I'd give it a 3. It was very light. Alcohol percentage 4.8, so it's like a flying fish. It didn't do anything. Well, mine's still here. It didn't shake the body.
Do your dance on TikTok.
Yeah, and it's very foamy. Very foamy. So yeah, 3 out of 5 from me.
I hope it stands. For me, it's a 3.5 out of 5. Because I generally prefer like craft or local beers that are sweet, so like ales, and this was a malt, so it's giving something in between Castle Light and Castle Lager, so that's my rating. It's not like it's not giving, but it's not giving. It's not giving, but it didn't give anything special.
It had potential.
Either. Yes, it had potential, but didn't. It's
Like in the end,
Exactly that. I have arrived at our hotel. It's called the Gorim Riva Hotel. Gorim or Gorim, not sure how you say it. I'm going to try and be as quiet as possible when doing this room tour because it's pretty late. It's like 11 p.m. and sound really travels around here. But just for you guys to see our room, which is really cute. I'm waiting for Loretta to arrive. My flight was delayed and therefore her flight was delayed. Ripple effect, but I'm sure she'll be here really soon. Also, we really need to get some sleep because our pickup for the balloon tour is 5 a.m. But anyway, let me get into the room tour. Okay, this is our cozy room. We have a closet here. This is safe. And what I assume is a picnic blanket because it's really not something you put on your body. Hangers and stuff. Here's the bathroom. This is the front door. This is the bathroom. Here's the basin. And a hair dryer. Really nice mirror for the makeup. Very spacious shower. Toilet. And our things, we put our toiletries or whatever, and a towel warmer. Super exciting because it's actually very windy outside, so I think at night it gets fairly nippy here. Then we have a coat hanger in front of our full-size mirror. Might have to move that. This is our big ass bed. It's really nice. It looks like it's spacious. So a lot of the hotels in this area have like a cave sort of theme. So everything is like stone. Sorry, to give that sort of cave feel. We have our phone in the event of emergencies. Nice window. The view, not that nice. Because it's just the view of the road. We have our little kitchen-ish situation with our water, kettle, our tea and coffee. I'm not sure if this is a fridge. Oh, it is. Oh, there's stuff in it that they charge for. Chocolate juice. Is that beer? Lots of interesting things in here. And then the best part of this place is that we have a terrace. So nice place where we can chill and sit and reflect on the past 29 years of my life. And we don't have a view of the pool, unfortunately, and I can show you guys the pool tomorrow or something. But there's a terrace here underneath us, and then basically where all the cars are is the front entrance, which is actually really cute when you pull up. So yeah, that is our gorgeous room. So here we have our, I'm just trying to lock this door because the wind blows it right open. Our little vanity station with all the information that we need on that block over there. Two royal looking chairs. And yeah, guys, that is our room. I'm really tired. I'm trying to go to bed. Maybe have one drink, maybe. But rather tired from all the travel. I'm just waiting for Loretta to get here and then we'll see what to do. But first day in Cappadocia tomorrow. Can't wait.